want to do, obviously, is go into your phone, and we're going to go into settings here. Go to about device, and make sure your model number is one of the supported ones. I have an SMG 930F. This root method will work for all the models except all the US models. All right, I'll show you all the models listed here in a second. So make a note of your model number. Mine is an SMG 935F. Now this is for rooting Android 7.0 Nougat. All right, if you're not on Nougat 7.0, do not follow this method. First thing you want to do is go ahead and hit build number a bunch of times until it says developer mode has been turned on. Hit the back button twice, and you'll see a new menu for developer options. So go ahead and hit that, tap on that. Make sure OEM unlock is checked on. Now some devices don't have it, which just means that it's on by default. If you're in that boat, then you're good to go. All right, connect it to your computer via a micro USB cable as a disk drive, and let's go to our computer real quick. All right guys, you'll need a bunch of files. You'll need 5 files to be exact. You'll need Magisk, you'll need Odin, you'll need Samsung USB drivers, you'll need Samsung anti-removal tool, and TWRP recovery. All right, to download all these files, go to my site galaxys7root.com, go under tools, root tools. You can download Magisk and Samsung anti-removal kit. Let me show you how to download these files. If you click on it, you'll come to the download site. Don't click on the ads, just go all the way down to where it says download here, and you'll see click here to download. And that will download the file. Do it for all the different files. So download Magisk, download Samsung anti-removal kit, and if you go to tools, Odin and drivers, you can download Odin program here, and also Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge drivers. All right, that's 4 files. The 5th file you need is TWRP recovery. This will depend on your model. Like I said, your model of S7 or Galaxy S7 Edge must be listed here. So if you don't see it listed here, such as you have a T-Mobile Galaxy S7 Edge or S7, it's not gonna work. So make sure your model is listed here. Mine is an SMG 930F, so I'm gonna click on that and go ahead and download TWRP. All right, and you will see that I have 5 files, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, this is an extra one. This is an extra one I don't need. So 5 files you need, and also go ahead and double click on odin3 blah blah.zip, extract all files, and that will give you a folder called odin3, odin3.12.3. All right. Next, we're gonna go ahead and go back to downloads folder. Go ahead and copy over Samsung anti-removal tool and the Samsung anti-removal tool and the Magisk zip. Go ahead and copy it over to your phone. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it over. And next we're gonna go ahead and go back to our phone. We're gonna go ahead and power it off. All right, after powering off, we're gonna put it into Odin download mode. Go ahead and hold down volume down, center home, and power. All right, volume down, center home, and power until you see a warning screen. Let go of all the buttons, hit the volume up key. All right, and your phone should be connected to your computer. Now let's go back to the computer and go into your download folder, go into the Odin folder, run odin3.exe, run, and you should see a blue highlighted box like this. If you don't see this, go ahead and run the Samsung USB drivers. You probably downloaded earlier. Go and double click it, run it, unplug the USB, plug it back in. You should see the blue highlighted box. Now, if you don't see it, try using a different cable. Also try using a different USB port, that will work. And also if you're using a USB hub, don't use a USB hub. Connect it directly to your computer. And if all else fails, go ahead and use another Windows computer. Sometimes drivers can cause havoc on Windows computers, right? And you will need a Windows computer to do this. Next, what are you gonna do? You're gonna go to AP and go ahead and choose the TWRP recovery for your model of S7 or S7 Edge. Mine is the TWRP 3. Blah blah hero lt.img.tar. It's the file ending in img.tar. Now, as soon as I hit start here, and the screen goes, it should flash in 5 seconds. The screen will go off blank. As soon as that happens, we're gonna hold down volume down, center home, and power. All right. So I'm gonna hit start, Wait for it, wait for it. All right, when the screen goes off, volume up, center home, power all together like that. Hold it for another 1, 2, 3 seconds and let go, and you should be in TWRP recovery. All right, from here, we're gonna go ahead and swipe to the right, and we're gonna go ahead and hit install. We're gonna go ahead and find the file. Go ahead and choose Magisk v12.zip that we copied over earlier. Go to add more zips. Go ahead and choose Samsung anti-removal kit. All right, confirm to flash. And this should take about 5 seconds. Reboot, and we should be fully rooted with Magisk Root. Now with Magisk Root, I do have a video on it. You'll be able to run rooted apps. You'll be able to hide root from apps that check for root, such as Android Pay, Pokemon Go, and Snapchat. All right, go ahead and reboot system now. Do not install. Let it reboot, and you should have a fully rooted Galaxy S7 or S7 Edge. I have rebooted here, and now you should see Magisk Manager. And go ahead and update the app on the Play Store. And also you can go ahead and check you have full root by downloading Titanium Backup app, which I highly recommend for backing up your apps and app data after rooting. And also do check out my TWRP backup and restore video that will show you how to back up your current OS in this state, exact state. It's like a mirror copy, and you can back up your ROM. That way, something goes wrong, you can restore. All right, go ahead and open up Magisk Manager, hit allow, and it says it's properly rooted. All right, go ahead and open up Titanium Backup app, and you will see super user request. All right, make sure you hit grant. All right, do a safety net check. It's not gonna pass. All right, if you want apps like Snapchat, Android Pay, Pokemon Go to work, go into settings. Enable BusyBox. That will also help you run certain root apps that want BusyBox, and also enable Magisk Hide. This will hide root. All right. Now, if you go back and hit this, you should pass safety net. Boom shakalaka. All right. Now we'll be able to use Pokemon Go. All right. And boom shakalaka. All right. All right. My Android Pay works. And boom shakalaka. All right, you should now have a fully rooted phone that can use Android Pay instead of Samsung Pay. Obviously, Samsung Pay has been disabled. Also, you should be able to use Pokemon Go, Snapchat, or any app that checks.